Welcome to Flash Viral Control. We are the leaders in UV disinfection. Gone are the days when traditional cleaning is acceptable. As living microorganisms evolve, so should the way we clean. We must change the way we disinfect today for a safer tomorrow. Our service uses the eco-friendly application of disinfectant in the form of UV light. Utilizing UV lights just like in the medical industry to kill bacteria, mold, viruses, and other pathogens. We literally zap microorganisms to make surfaces safe. Hospitals are not the only facilities that need this extra sterilization. Due to human error and the spread of residue, Flash Viral Control shines a light in the dark spots that traditional cleaning misses without the use of harmful chemicals. Integrating our services offers an opportunity to promote extra cleanliness and disinfection in an establishment. Using Flash Viral Control to deploy these services makes a facility the trusted choice for clients and staff. Call us today and take back control.